Jensen.
Yeah, boy, Jensen.
Mama.
Why, mama?
Sister.
Why, Maya?
Sige ma, lakatid to ma. Parang ikaw yung lalayas ah. Video na yan. Bye guys. Bye guys. Ma, ipapayo lang. Ganito rin mo oh. At least, kahit mo naglakat ka sa ano ito. Yeah. In our, weekend. Picture na tayo. Ay, mag-picture din. Bye.
Bye, mama.
Babe.
It's a steakhouse, right? We don't have to go anywhere, babe.
Mama,
Welcome to Manson.
Cancer.
Looks like a very nice hotel.
Hello, fancy. Ay, sorry.
You make
I'm not gonna upload it. Hello guys. Small. That's our apartment. Fancy. Whoa, I like the bed. It's fancy. Whoa. This is our hotel for today and till tomorrow. That's our view. Malab, that's the Mawa. We can just walk there. And we're gonna go to the big, the Mawa there. And then
Big- the big
that's,
dome.
yeah, that's
on there's the wheel.
Ferris wheel. Yeah.
So
Yeah?
depends on how well number 8
Okay.
Huh?
Yes, babe. And the toilet. Hi. It's fancy. So, hi guys. Nandito na kami sa aming hotel. Kagaling lang namin sa Jensen. So guys, hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog dun sa Jensen. Pero dito sa Manila mag-vlog tayo. Meron naman akong ibang ma-upload na kasama yung family. But for today, I'm going to show you our hotel here. So that's the main door there. And this is our toilet and slash shower. So ganyan siya. Ganyan dyan. Then meron silang ganito. Ito yung mga nasa drawer. Ito, dadalhin ko na naman to. Inadala ko yan guys. 10 towels. 10. 1. Then para kaming may maliit na kitchen dito. It's nice kasi para kaming may maliit na kitchen. Diyan yung mga plates, mugs, and everything. So pwede ka magluto. Para siyang condo, semi-condo. So ayan, may coffee.
Look at me, you could sleep over there.
Yeah. So yun guys, ang ganda. Malaki. Yan siya. Then ano to? Yes, mga cabinets. So this is the condominium here in Manila, my love.
The apartments. If you buy one, you mean?
Yeah, it's like this. Coffee. Straight away. Very nice.
Yeah.
Punta tayo dyan sa MOA mamaya. Yung Ferris wheel is there. So, pasyal tayo dyan mamaya, guys.
So have you been down on the water before?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
When? What's the exit there?
Do it, my love.
It's too late, babe. They've got it on security.
Pasyal kami ni Craig, guys.
Say Manila.
Manila. Manila, baby. It's cute.
Later. Yeah.
There, oh, we just gonna walk. We just gonna walk. It's Manila. Look at this pretty Malab now.
The palm trees.
Yeah. It's very clean in this area.
That's a lot.
Kain si Craig dito sa... Yeah. Whoa, it's nice. Oh, I like the
Yeah.
picture here. You can bring mom here, my love. This is what I'm saying. Coffee.
Yeah, they look alright. Are they real?
Yeah, no. Kape, guys. Kape na naman ang aking mister.
Coffee is life, babe.
What?
Coffee is life.
Kape is Guys, nandito kami sa Green Hills Mall, guys. Bumili kami ng pasalubong. And Craig is sick.
Not too bad.
It's like... Sa room na kami, guys. Secret na ng view. View namin. Hotel view. And yung Ferris wheel. It's our hotel, guys. Hotel Samoa.
You want a hot dog, babe? Would you eat a hot dog? $3. Say happy
Ito yung Manila. There, my love. You go there, my love.
So hungry.
Uy. Ready, my love?
Yeah.
Okay lang. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's nice. Kano malab? It's grabe yung light malab. Siya lang guys sa swimming pool guys. You see people there?